Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Yola Rahayu. In this video, I will practice and thesis trial simulation in English. Enjoy for watching. The Honorable Board Examiners. The Honorable, my thesis supervisor, Mrs. Rahmi. First, I would like to express my gratitude for the opportunity given to me. My name is Yola Rahayu, and I'm student of Economic Department by student ID number 23105110003. Today, I'm here to present my undergraduate thesis titled Analysis of Price Elasticity. Before starting my presentation, I'm going to divide my presentation into some main parts. First is the problem of the research. Second, talking about the methodology of the research. And third is talking about the result of the research. Last, I am going to close the presentation by explaining the conclusion of the research based on the finding. And this in the presentation. First, we are going to start with the problem of the research. Number 1, introduction. Elasticity of demand is a measure of how responsive the quantity demand of a product or service is to change in price, without other factor how constant. Elasticity of demand measure how much influence price change have on the quantity demand for a good. In a more formal sense, elasticity of demand is the percentage change in quantity demand produced by a 1% change in the price of a particular product or service. Number 2, research method. Research on the elasticity of demand, Cantika clothing store in the month of Ramadan is very important because it has a significant impact on marketing strategy and business sustainable. In the content of a retail business, a deep understanding of how demand for product change in center situation. And next, conclusion and means. Conclusion: the study of the elasticity of price increase in the month of Ramadan at the Cantika Gamis shop show several important findings. Number 1, increased demand. There is a tendency of increased demand during the month of Ramadan because consumers are more active in shopping in preparation for Eid. Number 2, high price elasticity. Price on clothing products tend to be more elastic during Ramadan, meaning price change can result in significant change in the quantity demand by consumer. Suggestion: this article still needs to be perfected to increase and attract readers, and then it is still needs to do a more in-depth analysis of the factor that influence the elasticity of demand. This can include variables such as product price, other consumer income, and more specific consumer preference. The Honorable of Examiners, I have presented all the contents of my final assignment from chapter 1 until 5. That's all my presentation. Thank you so much for your nice attention.